All right. Hello, fifth graders and fourth and third. So let's go over how we play the song Rain. All right. We're going to start off with this chord, the G chord. Quick reminder, none of my fingers are touching this string. Okay, see that? I'm not doing this, because if I did that, it would sound like this. Okay, which is not what I want. So the song Rain, it's going to go like this. We're going to go and check out my right hand, the one, I'll play it without a pick, because so many of y'all like to say how I don't have a pick, or you don't have a pick. So anyway, let's get after it. Here's how the song Rain goes. Try your best to follow along by watching my strumming hand and the fretting hand. Here we go. Play, hold, hold, hold. Play, hold, open, go. Hold again. Hold, C, let's go. Hold, hold, hold. Hold, open. Hold. G, half notes. Play, hold, play, hold, play, hold, play, open. Hold, C. C, hold, open, go. Quarter notes, G, let's go, G. 1, 2, open, go, open. 1, 2, C, let's go. Open, go. Eighth notes, G, let's go. Open, go. C. Open, go. Play, G, ready, go. Quarter. 1, 2, open, go. 1, 2, C, let's go. Open. Half notes, G, let's go. Play, hold, open, go. Hold. C. Hold, play, open, hold. Whole notes, slow it down. G, play, hold. Again. Hold, open. Again. C, let's go. Again. Open, ready, go. And then that's it. You hold it out. Look at my right hand. See how it's held? That's what everyone should be doing. I should be hearing complete silence right now. Very good. Good job, guys. Give yourselves a round of applause.